Welcome to our Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman, Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, speaking to you over the video. In Tagalog, ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. This is Miss Gutierrez, that's me speaking to you about the video, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22. And the first book that I published is Speak Tagalog, the one that you see on the left. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And on the right is an English Tagalog version book I entitled Christ Like Mom and Dad, in Tagalog at the bottom of the front book cover, Maka Diyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And at the bottom is a small card that represents my beloved mom's cookbook that you see always in my other videos. Mom in Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes. And all my 22 books you will see and you will find globally at Amazon, Ex Libris, OutskirtsPress.com, all bookstores near you, worldwide. And at my two websites, I encourage you to visit my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, and the other one is JuanitaGutierrez.com. And I know that you're excited to learn now our next lesson. And you will notice ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher little board there. That's a gift from my student here in New York City, New York, is a Korean. And she is our valedictorian. She is a Filipino New Yorker as well. And I love all my students. They give me all gifts as well. And today we're going to learn Tagalog pagwawangis, paghahambing, in English comparison. Tagalog, that's how you pronounce it. By this time, you should know, at least, how you pronounce Tagalog. The first syllable is ta, second syllable is ga, third syllable is log. Tagalog. The second syllable ga has the accent, so you pronounce this Tagalog. Tagalog. Pagwawangis, that means comparison in English as well. First syllable pag, second syllable wa, third syllable wa, fourth syllable ngis. Pagwawangis. The third syllable has the accent. Again, pagwawangis. Comparison. Another word for comparison in Tagalog is paghahambing. Paghahambing. First syllable pag, second syllable ha, third syllable ham, fourth syllable bing. The first paghahambing, the first and the fourth syllable has the accent. That means comparison in English. Now, these are the words. Example, tulad. That means same thing in English. Tulad. First syllable tu, second syllable lad. The first syllable has the accent. Tulad. In English, same thing. Katulad. Katulad. That means similar. First syllable ka, second syllable tu, third syllable lad. The second syllable has the accent. Katulad. Katulad. That means similar in English. Example, Halimbawa in Tagalog is example. First syllable ha, second syllable lim, third syllable ba, fourth syllable wa. Halimbawa. The third syllable has the accent. Halimbawa. Example in English. Katulad niya umawit. In English, same singing. Again, katulad niyang umawit. Same singing. Example of tulad, same thing. Tulad ng ibon ang tinig niya. In English, his or her voice is like a bird. Because niya is a pronoun that means both his or her. Let's review. Tagalog, pagwawangis, paghahambing, comparison. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable ga, so you pronounce Tagalog. Pagwawangis, pagwawangis. First syllable pag, second syllable wa, third syllable wa, fourth syllable ngis. Pagwawangis. The fourth syllable has the accent, or you could also say the first as well. That means comparison. Or paghahambing. First syllable pag, second syllable ha, third syllable ham, fourth syllable bing. The first and the fourth has the accent. Paghahambing. Paghahambing. Comparison in English. Tulad. Tulad. That means same thing. First syllable tu, second syllable lad. The first syllable has the accent. Tulad. Tulad. That means in English, same thing. Katulad. Katulad. First syllable ka, second syllable tu, third syllable lad. The second syllable has the accent. Katulad. Katulad. Similar in English. Example, halimbawa. Example, halimbawa. First syllable ha, second syllable lim, third syllable ba, fourth syllable wa. Halimbawa. Third syllable has the accent. Halimbawa. Katulad. Katulad niyang umawit. In English, same singing. Tulad ng ibon ang tinig niya. In English, his, her voice is like a bird. Again, tulad ng ibon ang tinig niya. In English, his, her voice is like a bird. Niya, pronoun either is his or her. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ-like is the title of my book, Christ-like Mom and Dad. And I'm going to say blessings of Christ. Love to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. When we love and respect ourselves and each other, we are all Christ. And I would like to give my recognition and I bow to the divinity in all of us because the Creator Source is within our heartbeats. According to Saint Master Germain, we are all gods and goddesses. So I give my love, light, and gratitude to our I Am presence within all of our heartbeats, and to my beloved parents, my brothers and sisters and their own families, and All of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart, and love, light, and gratitude as well to all those who are watching my videos. Thank you so very much. Love, light, and gratitude to you all. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy your day as always.